Skymon, and today I am going to explain you about roof. Okay, so in roof we are having few methods over here to create roof in Revit architecture. Okay, so the very first thing here in ribbon bar, here you are having the option of roof. Okay, so just drop down this roof option. So you can see here you are having different methods to put roof over here. So first one is roof by footprint, roof by extrusion. Then later we will be seeing roof soffit, roof fascia and roof cutter. Okay, so today I will be taking you about roof by footprint. Okay, so in roof by footprint, here you can apply sloped roof and a flat slab over here. Okay, you can create a flat slab and a sloped roof using roof by footprint. Okay, so now here what I will do is, so you can see here now, for example, if I want to place my roof, so here this is my level 1. So here I will be placing my roof at level 2 from this side. So here what I will be doing is I will be using floor plan level 2 to apply my roof. Okay, so I will go to floor plan level 2 and I will drop down roof and I will select roof by footprint. Okay, so next after you click on roof by footprint, here again you will be getting the draw tools. Okay, same like flooring. So here what I will be doing is I will be selecting the type of draw tool I need for placing the boundaries of the roof. So here for example I will select pick line and just I will be going on selecting the boundaries of the wall to create the boundaries of the roof like this. Okay, so now just imagine if from one side if you want, like for example from this side if you need 3 feet 4 feet extended roof, then here what I will do is, before placing, here after I click on pick line, here I will give the offset, like for example I will give it as 3 feet. Okay, or how much of a value you want, you can give the value over there. So later using trim and extend, here you can extend the boundaries and you can cover it. Okay, so now you can see here you are able to see some slim walls. That is a slope symbol like this. It means that this side you are going to get a slope. Okay, just for now you just click on finish and just go to 3D and just see the roof. You will be getting a roof like this. Okay, so you can see all the 4 sides I have got slope over here. So now here if I want to change the thickness of the roof, okay, or if I want to add the material, here what I am going to do is I will select the roof which I have added. Here in property window, click on edit tab. Okay, it is same like wall and flooring. Okay, again I click on duplicate. So here whatever the name you want, you can give the name over here and click on OK. So next click on edit. So here in thickness column, I'll change the thickness of the roof. Like for example, I'll make it as 4 inches. So if you want to add the material, you can add the material over here and just click on OK, apply, OK. So you can see here the thickness of the roof has got changed. Okay, just suppose if you need the slope only 2 sides, then here what you will be doing is you will be keeping the slopes only 2 sides. Okay, I'll explain you that also. So next now just imagine instead of getting a sloped roof over here, if you want a flat roof, that is if you need a slab, so even I can place a slab using roof by footprint itself. So here now what I am going to do is this roof itself I will edit it and make it a slab. Okay, like instead of deleting this and again placing the boundaries of the roof, so you can, I'll show you even how to edit this and you will come to know how to add the flat roof also. So here now if I am going to edit the same one, then here I will select the roof, I will go to floor plan level 2 and here I will click on edit footprint. Okay, so now here just imagine whatever the editing work if you want you can do it over here, then again after you click on finish, again you will get the editing work updated. Okay, so now here I don't need a this thing slope roof, I need a flat roof. So here what I am going to do is these all slope I am going to undefine it. So how will I undefine these slopes are, select all the boundaries which all there are having slope definitions. So after you select that, below the ribbon bar here you will be getting an option of define slope. Okay, so here what I can do is I can uncheck this option so that I will be getting a slope flat slab over here. You can see the slope indications are gone. So again if you will check this, again you will be getting a slope roof here. If you just need 2 sides slope like this, then what I will do is these 2 boundaries I will select it and I will undefine it. Okay, you will be getting a roof like this. Okay, but if you need a flat slab, then here what I will be doing is I will be undefining these all the roof option, all the boundaries Okay, and just click on finish. Now go to 3D and you can see you're getting a flat slab over here. Okay, so this is how you'll be placing roofs in Revit architecture. Okay, so thank you. To subscribe, you can like the video, and for more tutorials you can subscribe.